First principles thinking is a problem solving approach that involves breaking down complex problems into their most basic, fundamental truths and reasoning from there to find innovative solutions. The three key points of first principles thinking are: break down to fundamentals, question everything, rebuild from scratch. Let's briefly discuss the first key point: break down to fundamentals. It simply means stripping away assumptions and getting to the basic, undeniable truths. Instead of accepting that's how it's always done, ask yourself what we absolutely know to be true at the core level. The second point, question everything, implies challenging conventional wisdom and inherited beliefs. Ask why repeatedly until you reach bedrock facts that cannot be further reduced or questioned. The final point, to rebuild from scratch, means that once you have identified the fundamental truths, you should construct new solutions from the ground up. This often leads to innovative approaches that bypass traditional limitations. A remarkable example of first principles thinking is that Elon Musk didn't accept the idea that rockets had to be expensive. He broke down the problem to basic materials and physics, questioned the industry's assumption about reusability, then rebuilt the concept from first principles to create SpaceX's cost effective rockets. This thinking method helps you innovate rather than just optimize existing solutions. Thanks for watching.